Alexander the Great, the emperor who conquered the world at a young age. Countless conquests and a legendary fortune beyond measure. But where did all that wealth go? Why has no one found Alexander's treasure yet? In this video, we'll dive deep into this unsolved mystery. Alexander began his military campaigns in Macedonia, and from there, the conquests continued, from Egypt to Persia, all the way to India. With every city he conquered, he accumulated immense wealth, gold, jewels, and priceless treasures. In Egypt, Alexander became pharaoh and amassed vast riches from the temples and treasures of the ancient Egyptians. His coffers were filled with gold, but where did all that wealth go? In Persia, Alexander seized the riches of the Persian Empire, which was considered one of the wealthiest empires of its time. It is said that the spoils were enough to build an entire new empire. When Alexander reached India, he acquired new riches of gold, diamonds, and silk. Yet, there are no records indicating where all these treasures ended up. After Alexander's sudden death in 323 BC, his empire was divided among his generals, but there's no clear evidence of what happened to his wealth. Was it divided among them, or is it hidden somewhere? Legends say that part of Alexander's wealth may be hidden somewhere, in a cave or ancient temple, waiting to be discovered. Many explorers have searched for this treasure for centuries, but it has yet to be found. Some historians believe that Alexander's wealth wasn't just in treasures, but in the cities he founded and the grand projects he built, like the city of Alexandria, which still stands as a symbol of civilization. In the end, Alexander's greatest treasure may have been his cultural legacy. He conquered the world and left behind great cities and a history that cannot be forgotten. And despite the passing of millennia, the search for Alexander's treasure continues. Could there be a discovery waiting for us? Perhaps one day, the secret of this great treasure will be revealed. Will we ever discover Alexander the Great's fortune? Or will the mystery remain a part of his legend? What we do know is that his legacy will remain immortal in the pages of history.